Hi, in this video, I will show you how to book a remote proctored HESI exam through Evolve. This is going to be paired with videos and voice-over instructions. In general, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me directly. The first thing you'll do is just search Evolve. You can just do this in any search engine and you'll see Evolve Elsevier and you'll go to that first page. Once you get there, you'll click I'm a student and then you'll see register for distance testing. You'll click register, and then you'll proceed to checkout. Once you proceed to checkout, you'll create an Evolve account. You'll do this by putting in your first and last name, your email, creating a password, as well as putting information in about CCGA. If you already have an account, you can sign in the top right-hand corner. After you put in all the relevant information to create an account, you'll verify your email. Once you do that, you'll reserve your official HESI registration by submitting that and confirming that. Then you'll access the next steps through the My Evolve button in the top right-hand corner. Once you go to My Evolve, you'll then see Student Access. You'll agree to all relevant terms and conditions, and then at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a button for registering for distance testing. Once you click on Register for Distance Testing, you'll put in our CCGA HESI code, 201728. You'll confirm that your profile is the same as your government ID and submit. After you submit the request for distance testing through Evolve Elsevier, you will receive your eligibility code via email after 1 to 3 days. Make sure to check your spam or junk email so you don't miss this. Once you receive your eligibility code, you will officially be able to book your HESI through Prometric. Once you receive your eligibility code, you will also be provided the link to Prometric. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the relevant page where you will scroll down and select that you are looking to test virtually via remote proctoring. You will then scroll down further to officially schedule your remotely proctored exam. To schedule your appointment, you will agree and consent to all terms, conditions, and requirements. Then, you will submit your eligibility code provided in that email. Once you do that, you will confirm your time zone and complete the CAPTCHA as requested. Once you do this, you will then browse days and times that work best for you, keeping in mind when your application for the School of Nursing and Health Science is due. Whenever you select a time, make sure to keep in mind if it's AM or PM. Once you consent to all additional information, you will then officially book your exam. Moving forward, it is essential you follow all instructions and guidance provided by Elsevier/Prometric to ensure that you are following proper guidelines for online testing. If you have questions or concerns, you can ask me, but the best point of contact may be the Elsevier or Prometric help desk. Lastly, once you take the HESI, you must retrieve your scores and submit your applications by the deadline set by the nursing department. Hopefully this video helped you better understand the process for booking your remote proctored HESI exam. Please reach out if you have any questions or concerns.